So we're finally at the step where we integrate all your ads managers for Facebook and for Google. So it's a super simple, straightforward process, procedure. So basically, if you don't have a business manager account yet on Facebook, what you do is go to business.facebook.com/overview, and it'll take you here. And you just go ahead and create an account. Right when you have created an account, what you want to do is go ahead and within your business account, you want to click this little button here, take you to these shortcuts, and you want to go to business settings and click that button. It's going to take you here. I'm just going to move this for a second and show all of your settings, of course. And what you want to do is actually go to partners and click on that button. This is just a dummy example of this and a dummy account, but what you do is you go to add, right? Click this button here in the partner section, click add, and you want to make us a partner. Give a partner access to your assets. You click that button there, and it's going to say add a new partner, allow them to access assets of your business or that your business owns. And you want to put in your partner business ID or your partner's business ID. Where you can find our partner business ID is actually within the funnel. Just down below, it says ID and it has our business ID there. All you want to do is copy it and paste it just like this. This is an example. As you can see, if you copy and paste it and have the ID in there, it won't work. But once you take it out and it's just the numbers, then it will, and you click next. And what you do here is give us all the assets. Here on the left, as you can see, select asset type, and you just want to go through all of these. So we're going to start with the page. We're going to click on the page that you want to share with us, and you want to go all the way down to the bottom on the right side here and click manage page and click off this too. You want to give us complete access to everything. And your ad account, if you have multiple, I'm sure you only have one, especially if you just created this, click that ad account you want to share with us. And then in this right side, manage ad account, you want to tick that off so we have complete access. If you have catalogs, apps, right, then please share those. Pixel, you pick the exact pixel. You should probably only have one here, right? And you want to pick manage pixel, admin access. And here's the thing, we're actually going into your ecosystem here. We're not going ahead and creating everything in ours. And then once this breaks off, if it ever does, then we have all your information. No. What we do with all our clients that stay with us for 90 days, half a year, a full year, or usually 2 years, like most of our clients, what we do is we actually go into their ecosystem. And this is what we're doing here now. You're making us a partner to your stuff, right? So even with the ad account. And so let's say for some odd reason, right, we in fact go ahead and break off this partnership, right? All you have to do is cut off that shared assets that you shared with us, and that's it. And you've stayed with all the information, all the data, all the campaign setup is all in your Facebook, and you can go ahead and use it, right? Complete transparent process, and honestly, that's how it should be. So anything else that you have here, just add it. Domains might be one, right? Select the domain if you have it added in here, select that domain. And you'd go ahead, WhatsApp account, business creatives, if you have them in here, right? And you just click save changes. We're going to get a notification. And that is the whole process of setting up and sharing the assets that we need, integrating your ads manager with us. So that's all. You just click save changes. I'm going to cancel this because that's just an example, of course. And that is it on the Facebook side of things. So if you're watching this video and did it step-by-step with me, that's perfect. If you're just going to do it on your own, that's cool. Again, just go to business settings, go to partners, in partners tab, click that add button and give a partner access to your assets. Go ahead and give us access. We need that admin access again. Again, we're going into your ecosystem, which is beautiful, doing everything in your profile and in your business account, which is the best way to do it. So you have all those proven results right there. And then that being said, this is the end for the Facebook part of it. Now we're going to go to Google. Google is much easier, although that was an easy process. So what you want to do is be signed in to the Google account that you want to be signed into. We just have a dummy account here, gmgelitemarketing@gmail.com. You want to make this an account that you're comfortable with using. Of course, remember the password is something you want to be signed into. You're going to have your Google Ads account set to this. So what we want to do is go to Google Apps, this little box here, and you want to find Google Ads. For you, it might just be down below when you're scrolling. So just go ahead and find that button for me and just go give it a click. And it's going to take you here to Google Ads, right? So we're going to go ahead and sign in. You're going to have to go ahead and sign in to the Google Ads account that you want to sign into. So after your Google Ads account is completely set up, or you've actually just logged in, it's going to take you to a page such like this, or it's going to take you directly into your Google Ads account. So I'm just going to give you an example of that, but super straightforward process here. All we need is this number. So if I go ahead and actually go into this ad account, just to give you an example of what it actually looks like inside, what you want to do here in this process is just make sure your ad account is set up, make sure your billing is set up, make sure the name is set up, the address and everything else is set up. So then we're ready to go. If you already have this set up, it's an easy process. All you got to do is send us this number right here, right? It kind of looks like a phone number. It's same amount of digits, right? That being said, you just need to send it to us. And then from there, what we will do on our end is ask for a request to become the managers of your ad account. So just to give you an example of what that looks like, if you go here to access and securities within the billing settings and billing section, click access and security. And what you'll be taken to is this right here, which shows you the users, the managers, and the security that you have on your Google Ad account. So as you can see in the top left corner, see users, managers, and security. Want to go to managers. After you have sent us your little phone number here, your Google Ads account ID, and we have asked you for permission and you have accepted, it will look like this. In your access and securities, under managers, we will be the managers of this account, GMG Elite Media, the day that we linked, the manager type, and if we're an owner, of course, we are not an owner of your page specifically, so yours will say no. But here in actions, it will say remove access. So if anything happens, like I said before in the Facebook section, you can just go ahead and click one button and the access is revoked. Like I said before, we're going into your environment, into your atmosphere. You're not coming into ours. Super duper simple. So all you got to do is send us this little number here via the way that we've been already communicating, whether it be email or through any other channel, and just say, this is my Google Ads ID, send us the number, and within that 24-hour span of you actually sending it, we will in fact ask for a request to be an ad manager, or rather a manager of your ad account. What that looks like from your end, you're going to receive an email. The email will look exactly like this. A manager account is requesting access to your Google Ads account, right? That's us requesting access from your account. It's going to say GMG Elite Media wants to link your Google Ads account to their manager account. And all you got to do is click accept request, and that is it. So just find that number, make sure your account is set up properly, send us that number and say, hey, this is our Google Ads account ID. We're going to go ahead and send you a request such as this. All you got to do is click accept request, and then this whole process is done. So that being said, the Google Ads is much easier than the Facebook Business Manager, but they're both super simple, straight to the point, can be done in less than 5 to 10 minutes. So that's it for this funnel step. All you got to do after this, after you send us the Google Ads and you've set up the Facebook Business Manager account access, just click the next funnel step, and I'll see you in the next one.